All right, gang, for our upper body rolling pattern, just gonna lie on the ground. Go ahead and bring, if we're gonna travel to the right, go ahead and bring your right arm up overhead. From this position here, left arm can go, actually you can just relax here for a second. What I want you to do is focus on getting a good stack position. So big breath in, exhale, let the lower ribs travel down to your belt buckle. You should feel your lower back just kiss the ground. Once you have that, upper body rolling pattern, just gonna reach over across your body, take a big breath in so you fill the rib cage 360 degrees. Once you have it, go ahead and reach across until you kind of get to the point where your upper body weight just takes you over. Okay, so you're not using your lower body whatsoever. When you're in this position here, kind of focus on your stack position. So belt buckle up towards your rib cage, big breath in. Gonna have you look over your left shoulder, bring the left arm up and over. And again, just let the weight of your arm take you as you exhale. We're not using any lower body with that. Guys, that is your upper body rolling pattern.